There's the snow today. So, silipin natin yung view kahapon may snow. We'll see. Magic! Wala na. umulan kagabi. Tsaka kanina. So, na-wash out na. So, may mga snow dun sa iba. Okay. Rubber shoes na. Wala mo ng boots. So, we're here at Das Place downtown. This is their Christmas tree. We are at the Market Street and Metropolitan Highway. Beautiful tree. So, ganito ka-convenient ang commute namin. So, sa train station on the right side, may bus station na dun sa katabi. Dapat ganyan. Tapos ito yung bus schedule. Good. Nice bottles. So we're here at the Kia. We're here at the restaurant located at 3rd floor. So may kiosk done. So your order here and you pay and then you'll pick up at the counter. So may drinks done. Free yung drinks. I mean, if you pay, free refills siya. I mean, coffees, drinks, soda, sparkling water. Ayan ang ambience. Ayan, free yung coffee namin. IKEA member. Ay, para ayan, may free coffee kami from IKEA. Basta rewards member. Unlimited coffee. Kasi na mauna. Si Mami o yung card? Mabagal. We shall see. I know na kami. And come here, baby. Yan na yung card namin. Lilabas na. Surprise! Oh, sino mauna sa amin ang card ko? Sino na nasa baba. So, this is the IKEA decorations.